What is good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, we is in the M340i. This is your boy Eddie, aka INZANE, and right now we's about to go pick up the boy Beeves. Actually, the boy Shawnee boy, the one with the Challenger GT. We're actually about to go pick him up right now. He's actually gonna do me a solid favor and just come join me, you know. Sit in the passenger seat, be my passenger princess. I'm just waiting, but he's gonna help me with the carpool, you know, because I need somebody to carpool and there's probably gonna be traffic. And I'm actually gonna go pick something up right now. I'm gonna just tell you guys, I'm actually gonna go pick up a trunk for the Supra right now. Yeah, so shout out to the boy Diego. He's actually hooking me up with the trunk hatch for the Supra. I'm gonna go look at it. He said it's in good conditions. By the picture he sent me, they just look dirty, but he said it's in good condition. But I'm gonna go check that out right now, see what's up. But yeah, I'm gonna take the boy Shawnee with me. He's gonna be my passenger princess, you feel me? And keep me company so I don't get beat up or anything. Me. And look at this. Look at all these planes, man. It's crazy. All these planes just parked up. Man, I wish I had a jet. Imagine that, man. That one broken. I don't know what's going on with this one. It's like they broke it down. Why is this fucking jackass walking so fast?
What's up, fucking jackass?
What's up, you fucking jackass?
Miss you though.
You too, dog. Hey, dang, G, looking good, dog. Sheesh.
I need to take a shower, you know? It's that time of the year.
Oh, God, oh, it's that time. Huh? Hibernating season's over, buddy.
Hibernation.
As you can see behind me, the trunk is secured. And, bro, shout out to Diego once again, bro. He's a real one for coming through for this with this trunk. No kizzy cap. And bro, he showed us his whole warehouse and what he does, bro. And homie does a lot of shit, like does body kits, works behind the scenes with Street Hunter, bro. Like this man is doing things, bro. And he's showing us around like the SEMA build he's doing and all that. Like homie is putting in work, bro. But like I said, huge shout out to Diego, bro. For real. Like homie came through. No kizzy cap. Anti-right.
Good looking out, Diego. We love you, big dog.
Keep grinding, big dog. We see you out here, big dog. We see you. Alright, but yo, shout out to the boy Bees once again for being my passenger princess.
Hey, you know what I'm saying? Best experience, baby.
Yes, sir. Shout out to Bees, bro.
Yes. Yeah, have a good one, man. Suck it easy.
Hey, yo. Hell no, bro. If y'all don't know, bro, that is like my best friend. I've known Beef since kindergarten. If you guys really want to get to it, pre-K, bro. I've known him since pre-K, but I want to say kindergarten because like in kinder, I mean, we became more friends in kinder. And like pre-K, we just see each other. Like we would just see each other. But kinder is when we became like friends and shit. We're still going strong, bro. We're still going strong. I'm now 24, he's 24, like bro, I think 23, I'm not sure, but yeah, I think he's 23, and bro, we still homies, bro, we still homies, like it's not even a friendship, bro, like that's brother, that's family, bro. What is good, y'all? It is like 2 days after when I picked up the trunk, and we're on our way to go drop it off at the body shop, because like I told you, oh, actually I haven't told y'all. And you guys are probably a little confused right now because in the last video, if you guys watched the last video, and if you guys didn't go watch it, but in the last video I said Supra is basically coming back to the house and it's not gonna get fixed and nothing, and none of that or anything like that. But plans have now changed again. So plans have changed and the Supra is gonna get rebuilt. Yeah, we're gonna fix the Supra. I'm a little excited, but my pockets hurt so much, or are gonna hurt so much, after the parts are purchased and I know how much labor and all that. I just had no choice but to do it, you know? Like, I couldn't let the Supra just sit there, bro, and not do anything about it. So I was like, you know what? Fuck it, let's just fix it. Like it's a very tough situation for me because like I literally don't have 10 G's just laying around, and what I did is probably not the smartest thing to do, but I did it anyways because I had to, and I just want to see the Supra fix and shit like that. But your boy gonna be in debt for a little minute or a while or forever, who knows? No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, I'm gonna be in debt for a minute just to rebuild the Supra. It hurts, but it's something I want to do because I really just don't want to see the Supra go or just let it sit there and not do anything. Just let it collect dust. I can't. So we're getting it rebuilt, and I'm dropping off the hatch right now to him, and we about to see if they've even started anything. He told me he was gonna put it in a room or something like that. I'm not sure, but we about to find out. I'm pretty sure it's not in the room though. Alright, so I gotta take out this trunk from the car. Got it. We got it. I don't know if you guys can see that right there, but my car is right next to that gray one. Yeah, it still hasn't moved. I don't know when he's gonna move my car over there, but it's there for right now, and I already dropped off the hatch. So that's where the video ended, y'all. I am very sorry this video is pretty short. This video is short. Yeah, bruh. So we're bringing back the Supra. I'm rebuilding it at this point, so that's why you guys see me get the rear hatch. I'm excited, but I know it's gonna cost a lot. That's the thing. Like, I'm excited that I can rebuild it, but it's gonna hurt my pocket so much. But I'm just being transparent with y'all, and shit happens, and you know, like, shit like this really does happen, and you gotta pay out of pocket at times. That's what's happening with me right now, but it's cool. It is what it is. You know, I'm staying positive out throughout the whole thing. You know, I'm okay. The car's getting fixed. It is what it is, you know. But bro, I just finished watching Gran Turismo. I seen it last night, and bro, that is such a damn good movie. If you guys haven't yet seen Gran Turismo, it is such a good movie. I highly recommend it. It makes me want to just get a racing steering wheel and start practicing right here, right now. Just playing the game. Because, bro, that shit just motivated, inspired me so much. I'm about to be a professional driver now. But y'all, if y'all enjoyed this video, hit the like button for your boy, hit the subscribe button, and be part of the family. Just more insane content's coming through. I'm gonna keep you guys updated with the Supra, obviously. And if you guys, I might be at Beamer Invasion and Origins this Sunday, so might see y'all there. Who knows? We'll see what's up. But yeah, guys, this has been your boy Eddie, and I'm out.